Gumawa ko ng pagkain niya, guys. Oh. Wala na kasi kaming dry foods. Bigyan ko na siya ng kanin. Tingnan natin siya kung kakain ba ito ng kanin. Kumakain naman pala. May manok kasi ito, guys. Kumain ka kasi kung hindi kakain, magugutom ka. Kain na dyan. Kain na. Kanin lang yung binigay ko sa kanya kasi wala na kaming dry foods na natira. Tsaka ubos na yung pagkain. Pag hindi ka kumain ay magutom ka. Huwag mamili. Kumain kung anong mayroon. Sige na, kumain ka dyan. Cause every time I see you in my dreams, I see you. You're haunting me. I guess I need you, baby. Notice me. Take my hand while you're away, stranger when our love is gone. Why keep to no one easy? And every time I cry, I try to fall without my wings. I feel so small. Guess I need you, baby. Every time I see you in my dreams, see your face, it's haunting me. Manok kasi yan pala. Tapos siya kumain. Kain lang dyan. I found you. I found you, sis. Umaamo siya. Babay na. Bis na ako.